Today, our group will demonstrate you on how to assemble and disassemble the system unit. Disassemble. But wait! We should follow the OHS policies first.
Good day, everyone. I am Lance Medulla. Before we disassemble and assemble the system unit, we need to remember and follow the OHS policy. Number 1. Don't work on your own, so that someone can care of you in case of emergency.
So, number 2. Remove any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging computer parts.
Do not use excessive force if things don't quite split in two.
Number 4. Always wear personal protective equipment or PPE, such as apron. Also, wear your face mask. In case you don't have a hairnet, you can use a tie or hair tie instead.
Lastly, use a gloves, but using a gloves can be optional.
Disassemble.
We're going to disassembling a system unit. First, you need to follow and remember OHS policy. The first one is you need to unplug your computer and peripheral items. Turn off the computer, unplug the power cord, and unplug any peripheral items attached to the system unit, such as the keyboard, mouse, monitor, headphones, and any external devices. Step 2. You need to remove side covers of your system unit. Remove at least one of the side covers, usually the right side, as you face the front of the system unit. Step 3. Disconnect connectors. Disconnect all the connectors such as SATA connectors, front panel connector, ATX power connectors, CPU connectors, and etc. Step 4. Unscrew the power supply. Step 5. Unscrew the hard disk. Step 6. Remove the RAM. When you're going to remove the RAM, you need to push the clips on both ends of the module down. This will cause the module to pop up for easy removal. Step number 7. Remove the CPU fan. And the last step, you are going to remove the motherboard. You need to unscrew it from the frame by loosening each screw a little bit before going around again to loosen each screw properly.
Assemble.
Then reverse all the process. This is the specific arrangement of the front panel connectors.
Now, we're connecting the cables to the port from the system unit. These are the computer peripherals that are involved in connecting. We have mouse. Its cable should be plugged in the USB port, locating at the back panel. Then the keyboard. Its cable also should be plugged in the USB port. Then speaker. Of course, for the audio. Its cable should plug in the audio jack, this green port. Then the computer to the system unit. Its cable is a VGA cable, and of course, it should be also plugged in the VGA port. Properly plug in with the screw, turning it on the right. Make sure it is not too tight to avoid being loose thread. Then for the UPS cable, it should also plug in the back of the monitor, then connect it to the AVR, then do the same for the UPS, the power supply. Then you're ready to go. And plug the AVR to work. Turn it on before pressing the power button from the system unit for the monitor to work. Then if the monitor is displaying the Windows loading screen or the Windows logo, then it's good. Mission success. You've reached this far from our journey of assembling and disassembling. That's all for today, and I thank you.